Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
And good afternoon, West Michigan. We continue to track scattered showers after yesterday evening when we were seeing widespread, even downpours at time. Most of the area is holding on to relatively dry conditions. Still, it's quite gloomy. You'll likely disagree with me as we do have cloud cover as well as some patchy visibility issues. But the vast majority of that rain continues to fall near and north of I-96. The most widespread showers stretching across portions of Kent County, Montcalm County, along portions of 131. We do have more rain on the horizon, though. Here's the setup. We have low pressure circulating off to our south, and the moisture will continue to wrap around it. So you'll notice those showers in Wisconsin headed over the lake. That's what we'll continue tracking as we head throughout the afternoon and evening. Now, this is in addition to cool temperatures. It's been cool the last few days here, and will be once again cool today. Our forecasted high in Grand Rapids, 52 degrees. It's getting close to the coldest high temperature that we have on record for May 21st. That's sitting at about 50 degrees. Other cities in range as well, but I do think Grand Rapids will be our best shot to potentially hit that record. Hopefully not, though. Hopefully we can continue warming here. Into Thursday and Friday, we are expecting to reach those mid-50s, so we'll get even further away from the record on those 2 days. Thursday and Friday should have more scattered rain chances as well. Shouldn't be nearly as much rain as we saw yesterday or even what we're expecting to see this afternoon and evening. We'll see those winds still a bit breezy both days, though, coming from the north-northwest at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Friday, I do think will be partly cloudy, even a break of sunshine or two possible in the afternoon. But again, a few showers will likely remain in our vicinity. So here's a look at our futurecast. Again, there's that rain wrapping around as we head into the afternoon. There will be some dry hours in the mix, but very similar to the conditions we saw yesterday. We'll likely see some of these widespread showers slide in during the evening hours. This will be the case overnight. We'll start to see some drier air start to win out by about Thursday afternoon. I do think Thursday afternoon could be a mostly dry one. Still breezy, still cloudy out there. And then into Friday is when we start to see these clouds break up just a little bit off to our west, and that could pave the way for at least some sunshine into the afternoon. So how much rain are we talking? As I showed earlier, most of our cities have seen about 3/4 to an inch of rain over the last about 48 hours. As we look ahead to Friday morning, and again, we still could have a few showers Friday afternoon, most of us will see yet another 10 to 1/4 of an inch. We could have some heavier downpours that could get us closer to about maybe 3 or 4/10 of an inch, but all in all, again, about 1/4 inch of rain from here on out. I want to end on a good note temperature-wise, although it will be cool for the next few days, as I mentioned. That cooler air continues to circulate as we move through Memorial Day weekend. Still a little bit warmer, though. We'll see some 60s in play. By the middle of next week, we quickly see a pattern change. That warmer air off west starts to build into the Midwest, and we should once again be talking 70s in our forecast. But again, it's a cooler 8-day forecast. 50s continue today into Thursday and Friday. 60s as we move into Memorial Day weekend, and up to 66 on Memorial Day itself. A chance for some sprinkles on Tuesday, and then nearing that 70-degree mark as we look ahead to Wednesday.